Hello, startups dropping into your feed with the hottest funding news straight from the Indian startup scene. Things are hotter than the weather in June, and not just because of the summer heat. The PM's back for round 3, and with that, the buzz is electric. Talks are swirling about even more cash being pumped into startups in the next budget, which would be a major power-up for the whole ecosystem. We have got everything from EV companies like IndiGrid Technology revving up their engines with a $5 million raise to travel platform Ixigo with a strong record-breaking IPO. There's even more. Big players like Times Internet are making moves, selling ET money for a cool $44 million, and Battery Smart just landed a whooping $65 million to expand their battery swapping network, making electric vehicles even more accessible. Even Boat and Ola Electric are gearing up for IPOs, hinting at a future brighter than before. Ready to dive deeper and see how these funding milestones are shaping the future of Indian startups? Stick around. We are about to break down all this news and show you what it means for the exciting world of Indian entrepreneurship. Welcome to this week's TIES Funding Index. I am your host, Swati Dayal, bringing to you the funding fireworks across sectors, IPO madness, and some big acquisitions. First up, the electric vehicle space is buzzing. Bengaluru-based IndiGrid Technology, a leader in full-stack EV components, secured $5 million in its Series A round led by Cactus Partners. This cash injection will supercharge the production capacity, R&D efforts, and marketing muscle. Founded in 2015 by Sameer Narang and Rishabh Puri, IndiGrid Technology specializes in full-stack EV components with in-house design and manufacturing capabilities. Keep an eye on this company as they aim for an IPO by March 2028. Speaking of electric mobility, Battery Smart is another player making waves. This battery swapping network startup snagged a massive $65 million in a Series B round led by Leapfrog Investments. They'll use this funding to expand the network across India, making it even easier for people to switch to electric vehicles. Battery Smart operates 1,000 battery swapping stations across 30 cities in India. And the electric revolution doesn't stop there. IPO-bound electric scooter giant Ola Electric raised another rupees 100 crore in debt from Alteria Capital. This brings their total funding to over $1 billion as they gear up for their much-anticipated rupees 5,500 crore IPO. IPO mania sweeps the market. The IPO fever is still strong. Online travel aggregator Ixigo smashed records with a mind-blowing 98.34 times oversubscription in its IPO. The company received bids for 430.40 crore shares against the 4.37 crore shares on offer. This incredible response from investors shows the confidence in the Indian travel sector's post-pandemic recovery. Ixigo aims to raise rupees 740 crore through its IPO. And the buzz doesn't stop here. Deepika Padukone's D2C lifestyle brand 82 Degree E is reportedly looking to raise new capital. While details are still under the wraps, this move indicates exciting expansion plans for the brand. Stay tuned for further updates, funding frenzy across sectors. Now let's move beyond EVs and IPOs. The funding frenzy continues across other sectors too. Fintech disruptor Finsol grabbed rupees 15 crore in a bridge round to scale their innovative insurance-first BNPL model. The insurance-first BNPL startup Finsol has raised funding in a bridge round led by Unicorn India Ventures and C-Fund. The funds will be used to set up a non-banking financial company to scale lending operations and deliver more value in insurance premium financing. Finsol has seen significant revenue growth and serves customers across 8,000 locations in India. The exciting startup is definitely one to watch in the booming fintech space. Palette Brands, pioneers in drinkware and Apple accessories, raised nearly $2 million in a pre-series A round led by Rockstud Capital, with participation from Inflection Point Ventures and Dholakia Ventures. This funding will fuel the launch of the new cookware brand Ember and help them expand their product portfolio and team. Palette Brands currently offers drinkware and Apple accessories under the brands Unbottle and Totem. D2C skincare brand Foxtail isn't far behind. They secured a whopping $18 million in a Series B round led by Panthera Growth Partners. This funding will support their growth trajectory and help them achieve profitability by FY25. With their focus on Indian skin types, they are definitely giving established players like Sugar Cosmetics and Mamaearth a run for their money. Audio and wearables giant Float, under its parent company Imagine Marketing India, is in talks to raise funds from their investors. But here's the twist. Their focus is on internal improvements first. CEO Samir Mehta wants to improve financial metrics and achieve profitability in FY25 before hitting the IPO market with a target of Rs 2,000 crore raise in the next 18 months. Let's shift gears and talk about some interesting acquisitions and investments. Media giant Times Internet exited the wealth management space by selling its platform ET Money to 361 WAM for approximately $44 million. This move allows 361 WAM to solidify its position as a leading player in the Indian wealth management sector. The salon industry saw some action too. Salon chain JCB Salons India raised Rs 40 crore from Black Soil to fuel their strategic expansion. They'll use the funds to acquire Spellon, a homegrown salon chain, further solidifying their presence in the Indian market. And finally, food tech giant Zomato made some strategic investments to strengthen its hold. They are injecting Rs 300 crore into their quick commerce arm Blinkit and another Rs 100 crore into Zomato Entertainment. This move pits Blinkit directly against competitors like Swiggy Instamart and Zepto in quick delivery sector. That was a whirlwind ride. This week's TISE Funding Index showcased the sizzling Indian startup scene. From electrifying EV advancements to record-breaking IPOs and strategic acquisitions, there's something for everyone. Remember, this is just a glimpse into the ever-evolving startup landscape. Stay tuned for more exciting updates next week on the TISE Funding Index. But before you go, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a beat.